Hello. Today we will be observing the application called Gephi. Gephi is a great way to view a social network since it can display data in the form of a graph. This graph visualizes how connected people are to one particular subject and how connected these people are to the other people connected to one particular subject. For this demonstration, we will be using the popular novel Les Miserables. Les Mis is a perfect example of a social network because it depicts Jean Valjean in different stages of his life meeting new people. In order to download this, we will click on the Les Miserables sample that Gephi gives. It pops up an Import Report tab, and all you have to do is click OK. Once you click OK, the graph pops up on the screen. Notice how the circles are different sizes from one another, but they all connect to the largest one in the center. This center circle is Jean Valjean. He is the central piece of data in this graph because he is the main character of the novel. First, we will want to change the layout. You can do this by going to the left part of your screen where it says Layout, and in the drop-down menu here, you can click on Force Atlas, and then click Run. You can notice how the graph bunches up, and this is all right, but in order to fix it, to make the graph clearer and more precise, you can increase the repulsion strength here in the menu under Layout. In this case, we will increase it to 10,000. And we will click Run again. Notice how the graph is laid out in a more concise way than before, and you can see all of the circles again. Next, we want to change the size of the circles to show how closely related to the central circle they are. If one data point appears to be larger than others, we can determine that this character is more important than some of the others. To increase the circle size, we have to go over to the Statistics tab, and under the Network Overview tab, we will need to run Network Diameter. It pops up a window, and all you have to do is click OK. After that, it will bring up a report, and all you have to do is click Close. Then, what you can do is come over here to Appearance, and under Nodes, go over to the right and click the Size icon. The Size icon will then pop up the Ranking icon, and what you will want to choose is between the centrality. Here it pops up minimum and maximum sizes. If you want to change the effect of the central data point in comparison to the others, you need to increase the maximum size of the centrality to anything you want above what the original number was. In this case, we'll do 175. You want to also change the minimum size to something lower than 15 because you want to make the outside circles appear less significant. So we'll change that to 10 and click Apply. You'll notice now that the size of the central data point and the ones closest around it increase while the less significant data points on the outside of the graph decrease. The final thing the demonstration will show you is changing the color schemes to make the graph seem more visually appealing. Gephi is great to separate data in the social network because it can separate by color. With relation to Les Mis, Javert and Cosette do not connect with each other in any way, so they will have two different colors. This partition shows the only relation they truly have is their mutual connection with Jean Valjean. To change colors of partitions, next to Nodes, click on the color palette icon, and under Nodes, click on Partition. It will appear that there is a pop-up window here, and under that, click on Modularity Class. Here at Modularity Class, you can go to any of the colors, say we choose this one, and drag over to a different color that we want it to be. So let's say we want this one to be yellow. We can highlight over and click it, and then click Apply. Notice how the color scheme has changed to show that the one data point that was previously the other color is now yellow in the center, and it also changes the colors around it as well. The new colored partition itself just shows a new, more customizable way on how your graph can look. You can continue to change the colors of the graph to make it more visually appealing to yourself, the viewer. However, this is what we will leave it with. We hope this demonstration has helped you understand the basics of Gephi and how you can personally customize your Gephi graph. Thank you for watching.